If you're trying to sell a house in Ontario that still has tenants living in it, you've probably realized this can get complicated fast. So let's talk about when selling a tenanted property to a cash buyer actually makes sense. Hi, I'm Sebastian from Ontario Property Buyers, and we've worked with a lot of landlords and homeowners across Ontario who are stuck trying to sell tenanted properties. When a house has tenants, listing it on the open market can be difficult. You're dealing with showing restrictions, tenant cooperation, possible delays, and in some cases, buyers actually backing out because they don't want the hassle. Even good tenants can make the process stressful. This is where a cash buyer can make sense. A cash buyer can often purchase the property as is with tenants in place and without requiring vacant possession. That means no evictions, no repairs, and no waiting months for the right buyer. For many landlords, it's about certainty rather than squeezing out every dollar. We've worked with sellers in situations like this across Ontario. For example, we helped Jim, a landlord in Kitchener, where the tenants didn't want showings. Instead of listing and waiting, we brought the property with the tenants in place, closed on Jim's timeline, and avoided a lot of stress. Now, if your tenants are cooperative, the property is in great condition, and you're not in a rush, listing could still be the best option for you. That's why it's important to understand both paths before deciding. If you're dealing with a tenanted property and just want to understand your options, you can reach out to us at Ontario Property Buyers. We're happy to walk you through all your options, talk through them with you, even if you're just comparing what makes the most sense.